Do you remember when you played a duet with your piano teacher? Latch-Keyboard project provides music learning opportunities for children.
That was Rebecca's warm-up, and they loved it, wanted it every day.
Well, I embraced music because I think that you can teach a lot through music, and everybody loves music. It's just a universal way to communicate. So even the children that didn't have much language could communicate with the music. You know, this is good for math, and it's good for spelling, and it's good for reading and social skills, because sometimes they're side by side playing. It's unity. They have to play together to create a piece. Accomplishment. They could go off to school feeling confident that they had accomplished something. One little girl I still know, I believe is still in the city, that started with keyboarding, and they tell me, and I've heard her a couple of times playing at church, but they tell me she's very accomplished now. So yes, they do go on and become excellent musicians.
Well, I'm Joanne Wingerson, and I'm on the advisory committee of the Latch-Keyboard program, and I feel dedicated to make sure this program continues. When you see these children at their recital and you see the joy and the pride in their faces, it just makes you want to be sure that it continues to happen.
Right hand, go.
The children that are in music excel in school.
And I'm not sure that they would have music experiences like this, as hands-on music, in their lives if it were not for the Latch-Keyboard program.